Welcome back to the vlog. So we are going bowling today, so there is going to be a flash warning. So here is your warning. If you have seizures or anything like that, please do not watch this video. There is seizure triggering activity where there is flashing lights and stuff, which I do have seizures, but they are not triggered by flashing lights or anything like that. So without further ado, here's the intro.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Sudden change in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like it's someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like it's someone. South of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. See diving around the clock with bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around.
So we are back from the bowling alley, and I just wanted to bring up some points about what to do if you're at a bowling alley or stuff like that, like how loud it can be for young service dogs and stuff. Ty is fully trained and is bomb-proof, like he can heel off-leash in the middle of a fair crowd and alert and stuff. So yeah, I do want to address that I am adding some people to the vlog. There will be a new vlog intro, and there will be some new service puppers being added into the vlog, so yay! So yeah. I keep saying so yeah. I keep checking the TV because I'm watching Twilight, so yeah. I keep saying so yeah. I'm losing my voice because I was screaming at the bowling alley and having fun, so I'm not gonna see, yeah. Oh, just kidding. Some things that you have to be aware of when you're going to a bowling alley is there's a lot of crashing and banging. So make sure your dog is bomb-proof before going to the bowling alley. The puppers that are going to be joining are a golden retriever named Winnie, and I am actually going to be training her, and a lab called Nori. So they are really cute, and Nori is Ty's girlfriend. So yeah, again with the so yeah. The handlers' names are Kelsey and Riley. Kelsey is Nori's handler, and Riley is Winnie's. Winnie just got adopted, so Winnie is brand new to the pack. So there will be a change of name to my YouTube channel and Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok and Instagram have already changed So if you want to check that out, we are now going to be called the Crazy Bunch. TikTok, I think, is the Crazy Bunch 4, and I think the same will be for Instagram. But for YouTube, it's just gonna be the Crazy Bunch. And this hair is driving me crazy. So yeah, I'm sorry. We are going to be having a lot of fun making TikToks, having out on the weekend, and there was one other person. Her name is Jen. She is supposed to be getting a service dog, but we are not sure yet. But we are going to have lots of fun, and I am going to try to be making a vlog every weekend. So yeah. Oh, and if you saw that my hands are blue, if you saw Ty's hair is blue now. I dyed his hair and I did not wear gloves. So my hands are blue. It's the process of getting it off. I mean, I was eating chicken wings earlier and turned my chicken wings blue and I had to stop because I was eating hair dye. It was bad. Either way, we are going to have lots of fun together. Using my wolf over there. Love wolves. I sound like a freaking elk. I could totally be an elk call. So, I will show you my room. I am in the process of changing it. I am making a cloud wall, so I'm doing that this weekend. So I might do a vlog about that, or a TikTok, either way, but stay tuned. I wanted to add more because I didn't really film that much at the bowling alley like I wanted to, because I was getting up and down, and then it's just a process. So yeah, this is me signing off. So laugh, love, and hug your service dog.